In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. Once you're inside a Zoom meeting, look toward the bottom of your screen and click Share. This opens the sharing window where you can choose what you want to present. At the top of that window, click the Documents tab, then select Whiteboard and click Share. After that, the window will refresh and give you a few options. You may see whiteboards you've used before, some built-in templates, or the option to start with a completely new whiteboard. Choose the one that fits what you need, then give it a moment to load onto your screen before you begin working. When the whiteboard opens, take a quick look at the toolbar on the left side. This is where most of your main tools are located. You'll see options like Select, Grab, Pen, Shape, Line, Text, and Sticky Note. These tools let you interact with your board in different ways, depending on what you're trying to create. For example, the pen is useful for freehand drawing, while text and sticky notes are great for organizing ideas clearly during a meeting. If you click the three dots, a small menu will appear with even more tools for visualization, apps, and other core features. This can be helpful if you want to expand beyond the basic tools and make your board more interactive or visually structured. Also notice the controls around the edges of the screen. At the bottom left, you'll find Undo, Redo, and Delete. These are especially useful if you make a mistake or want to quickly remove something without interrupting your flow. At the bottom right, you'll see the zoom controls, which let you zoom in and out of the board. This is helpful when you're working on details or when you want a broader view of everything on the page. If you want to manage multiple pages in the same whiteboard, click the page icon near the top left. This opens the Pages panel on the left side where you can view your existing pages and add a new one whenever needed. This is a simple way to keep different ideas, topics, or sections organized in one session. You can also click the hamburger menu icon to open more settings and options. There you'll find items such as Whiteboard, View, Accessibility, Find, and Export, among others. These options give you more control over how you work with and manage your whiteboard. And that's how to use Whiteboard in Zoom.